Hey friends, hello and welcome back to this YouTube channel. For today's video, I'm gonna teach you how to increase video RAM graphics without installing any software. So if you're using Intel graphic cards, then this video is for you. Let's get started. First is you need to locate your cursor here in the Windows icon, do a right click and go for Device Manager. So the moment you open your device manager, just look for display adapters. Let me expand this first. Okay, and then click the forward arrow here and then go to Intel UHD graphics. Then do a right click and go to update driver. Okay, here this new window will ask you two options, either to search automatically or manually for drivers. Then in our case, we'll be going to this first one. And if your computer says that the best drivers for your device is already installed, then just close this. And then let's proceed to the second step, which will help to boost your FPS for a better gaming and browsing experience. Okay? The next step actually is to press Windows and R key together. And then the moment this new window will appear, just type regedit. Again, regedit, regedit, then click on OK. After that, your user account control will ask you to say yes. Simply click on yes. Okay, okay, just here, you need to look for HK local machine. Then after that, click the forward arrow here and go for software. And then again, click the arrow icon to see more and go for Intel. Again, go for Intel. And then here, click Intel and then do a right click and click new and then go to key. And then here, you need to type for GMM all in uppercase. Okay? You just have to click anywhere. Okay? So in my case, I have just created GMM, so I'll just close this. Okay? So after that, you need to click GMM and then do a right click and go for new and then go for dword 32-bit value. Here, just have to type dedicated. Make sure that you inputted same as what I have encoded here in my computer. Dedicated, no space, segment, size, and then click on OK. Enter to OK. After that, just have to click this to or right click and then modify. And then here you can input the value of data that you want. But you need to make sure that you have to check the RAM value of your computer. So let's say if you have 2 GB of RAM value, then go for 256 value. And if you're using a computer which has 4 GB of RAM, then go to 512 value. Then if you're using 8 GB of RAM, then go to 1024 value. Then if you're using 16 GB, then go for 2048. So in my case, I have only 4 GB of RAM, then I'll go to 512. Okay. After that, you just have to simply click on OK. And then the moment you click on OK, just have to restart your computer and you'll see a better change in your computer. Okay? So those are the steps on how to increase the video RAM graphics without installing software in your computer. Okay? So hopefully this video helps. If yes, don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button to be updated into our upcoming videos. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.